For our next little owl creation, especially if you couldn't find the walnuts to make the other one, almost everybody can find a pine cone, and these pine cones are from red pine, and they have lots of space in between. So that would be the kind of pine cone to look for. And we're going to stuff that and make kind of like a snowy owl baby that has little brown spots in its feathers as they come down here in the wintertime. So if you want to make a snowy owl baby, that's another easy thing to do. And we will be using some stuffing, or you could use cotton balls if you have those at home, and just take it and stuff around the little brown things. You don't really even need glue, it kind of just stays in there. So just keep stuffing, only when you get to a piece of the pine cone that sticks out, remember you want that to stick out like the little brown spot in the feather. And keep stuffing and stuffing until you have it looking kind of like this. And then you can add beak, eyes, and we even had a pipe cleaner and kind of made some feet, and you can make whatever color feet you want. And some googly eyes, and then the beak is actually just made out of a piece of orange paper, a little square that we folded in half and stuck it in as the beak. So, are you guys ready to try this one?
Get away right away at Genesee County Parks. For more, visit GeneseeCountyParks.org.